Hey guys, today in this video, I'll walk you through how you can create an invoice in NetSuite, and I'd recommend watching till the very end. And let's begin with the video. An invoice can be created a few different ways, such as directly from the sales order, from an item, fulfillment, directly from the customer record, or as a standalone invoice. Invoices created directly from sales orders maintain continuity all the way to a receipt of payment. To invoice from the sales order, use the global search bar to pull up the sales order directly. Click on the Bill Remaining button. This will open up an invoice form, enter any required information and save. An invoice is now created with the status of open and can have a payment applied against it when received. So that's basically how you can create an invoice in NetSuite. That's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.